Welcome back to Think and Play Chess, your home for practical chess knowledge and strategy. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Today, we're looking at a classic opening, the Giuoco Piano, a variation of the Italian game. Also known as the quiet game, the Giuoco Piano is an incredibly flexible and strategic opening choice for players of all levels. It's time we unravel the intricate maneuvers of this opening. The Giuoco Piano, as the name suggests, invites a slow, methodical buildup of pieces with a strong central presence. It allows players to develop their pieces naturally, while keeping the king's safety in check. Let's delve into the first 8 moves of both players in more detail. 1. E4, E5. White and black stake their claim in the center, setting the stage for a pitched battle. 2. Knight F3, Knight C6. Development begins. White's knight targets the E5 pawn, while black's knight defends it. 3. Bishop C4, Bishop C5. The bishops come out. White's bishop eyes the vulnerable F7 square, while black's bishop controls the A7 to G1 diagonal. 4. C3, Knight F6. White prepares for a potential central pawn push with D4, while black's knight further reinforces the center and eyes the E4 pawn. 5. D3, D6. White solidifies control of the center, while black does the same, opening a pathway for the bishop. 6. Castle, Castle. Both players castle to safety, securing their kings behind a wall of pawns. 7. Bishop B3, H6. White repositions the bishop, keeping it on the A2 G8 diagonal. Black's H6 move prevents any annoying Ang5 maneuvers from white. 8. Knight D2, A6. White develops another knight, reinforcing control of the E4 pawn and preparing for potential operations on the queen side. Here's an interesting tidbit for you. The Giuoco Piano was a favorite of the legendary world chess champion Wilhelm Steinitz. He used this opening as a key weapon in his arsenal. The Giuoco Piano, with its balanced structure and slow buildup, offers a perfect platform for players to demonstrate their strategic acumen. Understanding the key ideas of this opening can help you get an edge over your opponent. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the Giuoco Piano. Remember to subscribe to Think and Play Chess for more insightful chess content, and leave a comment to let us know what you think. Keep learning, keep playing, and we'll see you in the next video.